Hi, and welcome to this exciting tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to send marketing emails using Mailchimp. Now, Mailchimp is a platform that allows you to begin your email marketing. It has other features. If you come here, you'll see it has other features such as you can create your website for free that comes with built-in marketing tools. You can have online stores, you can make appointment scheduling. So there's a lot that you can do with Mailchimp. But in this case, we are going to just be focusing on how to send emails with Mailchimp. Now, to do that, you simply come to mailchimp.com, and if you have already registered, you are supposed to log in. But if you haven't, then you just start a free trial. Another thing you need to notice maybe before you begin is the prices. Down here, we have the free version, we have the essentials, we have the standard, and we have the premium. So to begin this, you simply click on Start Free Trial up here or on this part. It takes you to this page that includes the prices again, and if you notice down here, we have the buy now, sign up free, sign up free, sign up free. So in this case, we want the first one, the free one. So you click on sign up free, for that is for the free package of Mailchimp. You are going to input your email here and your username and the password. Then you click on sign up. Then you'll go back to your email and activate that. So I'll go back to my email here and click on the link from Mailchimp services. Here it is. Then you click on activate account. This will take you to the account setup where you are now going to give your details. Then the phone number is optional. You click on next. Then you are going to complete this account setup process. Then on this last one, how do you sell to your customers? You cannot skip, so you just select one. In this case, I'm going to select social media, then I click next. You can select one, either Mailchimp, how Mailchimp should stay in touch with you. You can select either both or one. In this case, let me just select one. Then you click on next. And with that, you have your Mailchimp account. So you can continue for free. Click on that. And then you click on let's go. So this brings you to now with the account verified, and now we get to the homepage of the Mailchimp account that you have just created. Now on the dashboard, if we click on the dashboard, you notice it gives you all these details, and the dashboard shows you all your campaigns and their performance, and of course other things that you can automate with, and how you can even set the automation. Then with create, you are able to create either a regular email or you are able to create an automation. With audience, you can now select the type of audience that you need. You can either add contacts there, and if you click on add contacts, you will get the option either to import from another service, or you can upload a file where you can import contacts from CSV or text.txt file, or you can also copy and paste. That is when you need to add contacts. Back to the dashboard, you notice we also have sign up forms, we have tags. The tags here, you simply click on tags and then click on create tags. So, and you are able to create a tag and you can give the tag a name. For instance, conference lead, influencer, or donor given here. You can also give other tags such as monthly customers, ghost customers, potential customers or clients. So you can create a tag, and we are going to be using these tags at the end when we'll be sending an email. It makes it easy for you to select a tag where you will target those clients. Now we have segments which works almost the same as the tags, where you can just create segments to target contacts by location, engagement, activity, and more. So in this case, if you want to target maybe clients in a certain location, you are going to create a segment down here, and then you are going to be building that segment name, add condition, then you can review the segment and all that. We want to demonstrate now how you can send an email with Mailchimp. So to send that email, you will come and click on create, and you now decide what you want to create. Is it an email? Is it an automation? Is it a website? In this case, it is an email. So if I click on email, I have these three options: either to send a regular email, a plain text, or a template. Now, from experience, the plain text mostly looks boring and may not be appealing in the eyes of the client. So I personally prefer to use either a regular or template email. In this case, let me click on regular. Then you give it the name. Let me call it media offer. Then you begin. You click on begin. After that, it brings you to this page where you can choose an email builder. So we have the beta version where you can use AI assisted tools to optimize your content and help boost engagement. But in this case, we can also use the classic builder where you create a design using the classic interface and templates that are already given. So you click down here on select the classic builder. This opens quite a good number of templates which you can use to design your email. So depending on what you want, these are the templates that you have. So I'll choose this one, and it opens on this side. Now, you notice it has all that we could have used. So our work will simply to fill it with the details that we need, and it is editable. So if we come here on the logo, and then I click on this edit block, I am free to replace this default logo and add either a link or an alternative. I can change the style. I can change the settings. So in this case, let me just replace that logo, and I get the option to upload. If I click on upload, it takes me to my PC where now I can select the image that I want to upload. Let me say I want to upload this logo for JoshNet. I simply click on that, and then I click on upload. And there we have it. So our logo is already placed at the top. And then you can also make so many adjustments with this logo. You can reduce the size. You can do all that you need to do to make it either smaller depending on what you need. Just the simple process of where you click on the image here, you can change the color, you can change the background color. Then down here, you now edit your email. Ours here, we want to possibly put it as maybe first quarter offers. So I will keep on doing that. I can add a photo here. I can add a photo here. With this template, I can now keep on adding the details here. I can type my email here. And then if now I'm satisfied with all that I have added, I can click on save and close. And then I click on continue. So with that, I come back to my mid-year offer, the one I had typed. Then I can add recipients. I can type from. In this case, if I click on recipients, I can either import contacts or I can type them manually. So then from here, I can add who it is from. So from, I'll add my email, who is sending this campaign. This is from me. Then I'll put my email here. So for recipients again, I can add the recipient that I would want to add. Then I can click on save. So on subject, I can add the subject. I click on add subject. Then I type what it is, media offer. And then we have the preview text. For this preview text, you need to just type something catchy so that it attracts the customer. So in this case, let me just write 30%, maybe 30% discount media offer. So that's the preview text that the client will see. I now click on save. And then I come to my email. My email is already attached here. And your email, you need to have edited it completely so that doesn't have any placeholders. Ours, we just added a logo. We didn't type much of the work. So for you to have this also checked, you will definitely need to type all that in your email. Then you can also decide to share your campaign, either by adding a social media post to your campaign on Facebook, Twitter, or on Instagram. So, but assuming now we are satisfied that this email, the one we have attached here, the subject, from, and to is okay, then we can send it. Now, for this part where we had talked about the tags, if you were to add recipients here, you can import contacts, and those contacts you can import them again based on the tags. If you had created tags, for instance, if you had created tags for frequent customers, bulk buying customers, you can select the tags. That is after you have imported these contacts through either importing from another service, uploading a file, or copy pasting. So back here, if now you're satisfied with your email and you have checked everything is okay, you simply come here and click on either schedule or send. If you click on schedule, it will give you a calendar where you will be able to schedule when that message will be sent. And if you click on send, then it automatically goes to the targeted people whose emails you had added here. In case you feel you are not yet through, you can simply click on finish later. Then that later, you will basically be adding the details that you needed. So I hope that helps, and that is simply how you can use Mailchimp to send campaign emails. I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like our video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share.